The ability to register and develop custom actions within the Skuid framework has been talked about in the community for well over a year now. It's something that would provide a significant amount of value to page developers who have a similar task or a similar set of functionality that they need to extend with just slight variations from time to time. One of those examples is the confirm dialog that's also been talked about in the community. Oftentimes you want to ask the user if they want to confirm something, and the text that you want to display might be slightly different in every situation, although the code underneath the covers is the same. Currently, you have to resort to custom snippet for each different text situation or some other type of approach in order to get that flexibility so that the message itself is customized. One of the areas that custom actions would come into play is to solve for that by exposing an action that triggers a confirm dialog and through properties lets the user page developer specify what the message should say. In addition to the confirm dialog, obviously there's a number of other use cases for custom actions. This is a brief demo of what custom actions might look like within the Skuid framework if they were exposed. So here I've got a standard account page with a couple of buttons and a page title. If I click on the delete button here and I go to the actions pane, you can see that the action setup is show confirm dialog. So within the list of actions, you've got all your normal actions, and then down at the bottom under additional actions, custom actions would be registered. And in this case, I've written one called show confirm dialog. Then within that dialog, the action itself has four properties: a title, a message, an OK button text, and a cancel button text. And you can specify the text that you'd want to display for those properties. And the custom action also handles merge syntax, so you can use different merge syntax for the text itself. You can see on the cancel button, it's slightly different. In this case, we want the text or the title cancel changes instead of delete. We want to say you'll lose your changes, so on and so forth. So the same functionality, just slightly different behavior from button to button, depending on what the user needs to be presented with. If you go ahead and preview this page, we can see it in action here. So here, if I click the delete button, you can see that merge syntax was processed on the title. Deleting the account will permanently remove them from the system. Are you sure? Yes or no? And if I click the cancel button, I get a slightly different message. Cancel changes, you will lose all your changes. Do you want to continue, okay, or cancel? So this is just a brief example of what the power of custom actions, if they were added to the Skuid framework, might look like.